Transform each is a way of moving, scaling, rotating, and doing other transformations to several objects that you select at one time in a way that's different from something like where you use your selection tool and then we're going to like scale them up. If I wanted to take all of these, which are looking pretty tiny in this grid, and make them all bigger and center them more like I have here on the right hand side, then that type of selection and adjustment wouldn't work very well. But transform each would work great for that. So I select everything, but then I'm going up to object, transform, transform each. And then from here, I have some sliders. I can change the scale, for example, make all of the objects bigger, and I can move them, shift them over a little bit more toward the center or whatever horizontal or vertical movements I want. And I could also take them and I could, rotate all of them or something. In this case, I don't want to rotate anything, but so I'll just say 0 for that one. And what I am going to shuffle them over a little bit horizontally and make them a bit larger. And you do have your transform objects versus transform patterns and other options here. In this case, everything's looking good, so I'll click OK. Now, another thing that you can do with this is randomize. So I'm going to select all of these little poison bottles. We'll go up to transform, transform each. And then from here, maybe this one isn't so much about changing the size or moving them, but it's about sort of rotating them all. And I want them to be kind of a random rotation potentially. And so a more subtle kind of, variation, or you can go really extreme with it, but that's sort of controlled here through the angle. So yeah, that looks great. Click OK, and now I've gone in and as opposed to going through one by one and adjusting each of those, I can do them kind of as a bunch.